Here is a premium 1500-word YouTube article on the 2026 Hyundai Creta SUV segment kicking tailored for viewer in India, written as a smooth narrative without headings and packed with up-to-date details about design, performance, comfort, tech, safety, mileage, pricing, and why it continues to dominate the midsize SUV market. The 2026 Hyundai Creta continues to reign as the undisputed king of the SUV segment in India, combining everything buyers in today's competitive automotive market want: style, comfort, technology, performance, and real-world practicality. In a landscape where compact and midsize SUVs are among the most sought-after vehicles, Creta sets the benchmark year after year. It's the SUV that not only attracts urban professionals looking for a premium driving experience but also appeals to families who want a dependable and spacious vehicle for daily use as well as long highway journeys. What makes Creta truly special is its ability to balance comfort with capability, giving drivers confidence whether they're navigating tight city lanes or cruising at high speeds on the open road. From the exterior, the 2026 Creta immediately stands out with its bold presence and modern design language that is both elegant and athletic. It sports a wide stance, chic LED lighting including LED headlights and DRLS, and a sleek profile that delivers a commanding road presence without feeling overly aggressive. The muscular body lines and premium detailing reflect Hyundai's design philosophy, making it a vehicle that turns heads everywhere it goes. The large grille, refined chrome accents, and carefully sculpted surfaces give it a refined yet rugged look that appeals to buyers of all ages. Even in its base forms, the Creta doesn't look or feel cheap. It projects the sense of a premium SUV that belongs in the modern Indian driveway. Autocar. Step inside the Creta, and you immediately notice how the cabin has been crafted with comfort and convenience in mind. The quality of materials feels solid, and there's a sense of thoughtful design in every corner, from the soft touch surfaces to the ergonomically placed controls. A large dual 10.25-inch digital display setup serves as both the touchscreen infotainment system and the digital instrument cluster, giving the cockpit a modern and tech-forward vibe that rivals premium cars in higher price brackets. The infotainment supports smartphone connectivity through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, while the Bose premium sound system available in higher trims turns every journey into an enjoyable experience with rich audio quality. Autocar. People who love long drives or have growing families instantly appreciate the spaciousness of the Creta's interior. There's ample legroom and headroom for all passengers, and the supportive seats make even long hours on the road feel relaxed rather than tiring. The Creta also offers modern convenience features like automatic climate control, ventilated front seats, rear AC vents, and plenty of cubby space for everyday items. Practical touches like generous boot space, generous enough for luggage or shopping make this SUV suitable for weekend family trips just as much as it is for day-to-day errands. Many users highlight that whether it's city traffic or open highways, the Creta cabin remains comfortable and composed, thanks to excellent noise insulation and smooth suspension tuning. VintageCars.com. One of the biggest reasons Creta continues to be a top choice among SUV buyers in India is its versatile range of engine options and efficient performance. The 2026 lineup offers multiple powertrain choices including a 1.5 Yojak Chinhel ITRE naturally aspirated petrol engine, a 1.5 Yojak Chinhel ITRE turbo petrol, and a 1.5 Yojak Chinhel ITRE diesel engine. Depending on the variant and transmission, whether manual, IVT, intelligent variable transmission, or an automatic, Creta delivers a blend of responsive performance and impressive fuel economy. On highways, the turbo petrol option gives enthusiastic acceleration and confident overtakes, while the diesel variant continues to shine as a fuel-efficient long-distance companion that many families and frequent travelers prefer. Mileage figures across variants typically range between around 17 and 21 kmph in real-world conditions, which is highly competitive for its class and makes it cost-effective over time. Autocar. Safety is another key strength of the 2026 Creta. Hyundai has packed it with a suite of features designed to protect the driver, passengers, and even pedestrians. Standard safety equipment includes 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic brake force distribution, vehicle stability control, hill start assist, and rear parking sensors with a camera. On higher variants, Hyundai's advanced driver assistance systems ADAS bring features like adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and high beam assist, which collectively reduce fatigue and make highway driving safer for everyone. These modern safety technologies provide a level of confidence and peace of mind that many buyers now demand as a standard rather than a premium add-on. Autocar. Hyundai has consistently worked on improving the Creta's comfort and ride quality to suit Indian roads of varying conditions. Its suspension delivers a magic carpet feel, soaking up urban imperfections and highway undulations alike, making every ride compose and comfortable, whether you're driving through busy traffic or cruising on smooth expressways. The steering is light at low speeds, helping with easy maneuvering and parking, yet becomes reassuringly planted at higher speeds. This balance of agility and stability is a big part of why the Creta remains enjoyable for drivers from all kinds of backgrounds, from first-time SUV buyers to seasoned road travelers. Times Bull. When it comes to pricing, the Hyundai Creta appeals to a broad range of budgets. In India, the 2026 Creta's ex-showroom price starts as attractively low as around 10.7 lakh rupees for the base petrol variant and goes up to about 20.2 lakh rupees for the top diesel dual-tone night edition trim, offering plenty of options for different buyer preferences. From the entry-level variants that cover essential features and reliability, to premium trims loaded with technology and luxury touches, buyers can choose what suits them best without feeling like they are overpaying for something they don't need. This wide pricing range makes the Creta accessible to many Indian families and individual buyers who want a premium SUV experience. V3 Cars. Part of Creta's appeal is not just the features but also the trust and brand loyalty built over years. It's one of those SUVs that has consistently topped sales charts for years. It has remained one of the highest-selling SUVs in the Indian market, with strong monthly sales numbers and a loyal customer base that often recommends it to others. In fact, recent data showed that in 2025 the Creta sold more than 2 lakh units in India alone, with an average of hundreds of units sold every single day. This huge demand highlights how deeply Creta has embedded itself in the Indian automotive mindset. It's not just a vehicle, it's a benchmark that others measure against. Navbharat Times. Another vital reason buyers continue to choose the Creta is Hyundai's extensive service network and resale value. With dealerships and service centers spread across the country, owning and maintaining a Creta is generally easy and affordable compared to many competitors. Parts are widely available, and due to strong demand in the used car market, Creta's resale value holds up well, making it a smart long-term investment for many owners. Technological connectivity features in the Creta also resonate with modern buyers. Even mid-level variants offer smart connectivity options such as Bluetooth, voice recognition, smartphone app integration, and navigation systems. Soon, features like digital keys, which let you lock and unlock the car via smartphone, are being adopted in newer Hyundai models, hinting at a future where connected car tech becomes standard even in SUVs like the Creta. The Times of India. Despite stiff competition from rivals like Kia Seltos, Tata Sierra, Renault Duster, and others, the Creta continues to stand its ground. Enthusiasts and reviewers alike note how its balanced performance, premium interior, and everyday practicality make it hard for competitors to consistently outperform it across all fronts. Even skeptics online agree that while rivals may offer specific strengths, none combine Creta's overall package comfort, versatility, and brand trust as effectively. This is part of the reason why buyers who are choosing their first SUV or upgrading from smaller cars often end up going back to the Creta time and time again. In India's dynamic SUV landscape, the 2026 Hyundai Creta remains the go-to choice for buyers who want a vehicle that feels premium without being overpriced, powerful without being inefficient, and practical without being boring. It embodies what many Indians look for in an SUV: reliability, comfort, technology, and a strong on-road presence. Whether you're heading to work in the city, taking a family trip across states, or simply enjoying the everyday ease of driving a well-engineered car, the Creta delivers it all in a package that truly lives up to its reputation as the king of the SUV segment in India. If you want, I can also provide a YouTube description, tags, viral title, or SEO keywords specifically for your video. Car Fire.